Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the topic question tags from the English grammar. The success of this mission will depend on the integrity of the employees. Add question tag for the above sentence. Answer: won't it? Harish was found working at his desk. Add question tag for the above sentence. Answer: wasn't he? They have been studying English for 3 years. Add question tag. Answer: haven't they? My sister has never had a holiday. Add question tag. Answer: has she? Come in. Add question tag for the above sentence. Answer: won't you? Magsay became the president of Philippines in 1953. Add question tag for the above sentence. Answer: didn't he? Ramesh's father's going to buy him a laptop. Add question tag for the above sentence. Answer: isn't he? We have had no trouble so far. Add question tag for the above sentence. Answer: have we? I am completely perplexed. Add question tag. Answer: aren't I? Rani has got long hair. Add question tag for the above sentence. Answer: hasn't she? Choose the grammatically correct sentence. Answer: I think he's from Avanigadda, isn't he? Choose the grammatically correct sentence. Answer: let's say no to racism, shall we? Choose a grammatically correct sentence. Answer: the sun won't shine tomorrow, will it? Choose a grammatically correct sentence. Answer: we must be at school at 8 o'clock, mustn't we? Choose a grammatically correct sentence. Answer: They used to live in Madras, didn't they? Choose the correct beginnings of the sentence. Haven't we? Answer. We have seen this film. Choose the correct beginning of the sentence. Dash wasn't he? Answer. Shakespeare was English. Choose the correct beginning of the sentence. Dash could she? Answer. Lalita couldn't sing well. Choose the correct beginning of the given sentence. Dash isn't there. Answer. There is something. Choose the correct beginning of the sentence. Dash weren't there. Answer. There were lots of people at the carnival. The news dash very good, I am afraid. Choose the correct option to fill the blank. Answer. Isn't. Many people were drowned. Dash. Add question tag for the above sentence. Answer. Weren't they? The principal got angry. Dash. Add question tag. Answer. Didn't he? They came yesterday. Dash. Add question tag. Answer. Didn't they? Let's go to the beach. Dash. Add question tag. Answer. Shall we? You can rely upon his discretion. Add question tag. Answer. Can't you? The messenger arrived with news of the disaster. Dash. Add question tag for the given sentence. Answer. Didn't he? You must never abuse your superiors. Dash. Add question tag for the above sentence. Answer. Must you? Let's reach the destination. Dash. Add question tag. Answer. Shall we? I have my hair cut once a month. Add question tag. Answer. Don't I? Choose a grammatically correct sentence. Answer. There is a fly in your soup, isn't there? Choose the grammatically correct sentence. Answer. Pass me the sugar, won't you? Choose the grammatically correct sentence. Answer. The performance was fantastic, wasn't it? Choose the correct beginning of the sentence. Dash, doesn't she? Answer. Rani plays volleyball. Choose the correct beginnings of the sentence. Dash, aren't they? Answer. Suresh and Ram are from London. My mother was not aware of the facts. Dash. Add question tag. Answer. Was she? She will be punished. Dash. Add question tag for the given sentence. Answer. Won't she? He will be coming. Dash. Add question tag. Answer. Won't he? The old man isn't fit to work. Dash. Add question tag. Answer. Is he? The Raman Magsay award has been cancelled thrice in 6 decades. Dash. Add question tag to the following above sentence. Answer. Hasn't it? Mary has blue eyes. Add question tag. Answer. Doesn't she? Choose a grammatically correct sentence. Answer. We had better leave, hadn't we? Choose a correct beginning of the sentence. Dash, isn't it? Answer. It's very hot in the Sahara. They appreciate good food. Add question tag. Answer. Don't they? The milk tastes sour. Add question tag. Answer. Doesn't it? Choose a grammatically correct sentence. Answer. Don't let the dog out, will you? Choose a correct beginning of the sentence given below. Dash, aren't I? Answer. I'm your English teacher. He saw the dash. Add question tag. Answer. Didn't he? Choose the correct beginning of the sentence. Dash can't he? Answer. Sunil can speak English fluently. Answer. Sunil can speak English fluently. Children go to school to learn things. Add question tag. Answer. Don't they? Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.